Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and I am a part-time reseller and I have an obsession with mystery boxes. And my most favorite thing to list and resell are shoes. I love it. They're easy to find and source and take photos of, and it's just what I do. So I probably like you love to watch unboxings here on YouTube. It's kind of what I do while I'm cross-posting on the computer, when I'm laying in bed at night and can't sleep. I just enjoy YouTube. So a company that I have watched so many unboxings from is Jomar. Now, it is either like a love or a hate. There's really no one that's in the middle. Most of the videos I come across are like, this is my last box ever from them, or they're one of my most favorite places. So I decided, I've gone to the website a few times. I did put my info in once. I was going to buy a box, and then by the time I got to the checkout, it was sold out. Well, so I've been getting their emails. They sent me a 20% off your first order coupon, and so I'm like, you know what? Let me go look again. And guys, the main complaint I see with this company that people say is it takes forever, like 2 or 3 months to get your orders from them. I don't like to wait. I love that on other companies, ThreadUp even, Bulk, WeBargain, all of that. All the other companies I've ordered from, I get my box within like a week from ordering. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna make this order. And if it comes in 3 months, cool, I'm gonna forget about it. I've got tons of other things to list. I just wanna see what it's about. So I was shocked. I went on the website last Thursday, May the 6th, like in the evening, and they had a shoe box. The only shoe box they had available was the comfort shoes. And I wanted to read you what the website said. It says, comfort shoes, it was $55 plus shipping, 10 pairs, brands you can, Preloved, an assorted variety of walking comfort support shoes. Occasionally may have a men's pair. Brands you can find, soft, aerosols, Clark's, Naturalizer. May include sandals, flats, mules, slip-ons, Mary Janes, heels from comfort shoe brands. No guarantee of ratios or brands. We cannot guarantee blah, 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 blah. Cool. So I'm like, $55. But once I added my 20% off coupon and the shipping, it was $19.70 to ship it, minus the $11 I saved for 20% off. It came out to $63.70 for 10 pairs. That made them $6.37 a pair, which is 30 cents cheaper than buying the 15 pair mystery bundle from ThreadUp. So in my mind, this is kind of going to be a comparison to ThreadUp. Now, I do believe that they often have just a rehab, rescue, whatever mystery box, not necessarily comfort. I love selling comfort brands. They sell well, they sell fast, and it's kind of a need. People need good comfort shoes for work or whatever. Shoot, I love Bionic. I consider that a comfort brand. Those are the only flip-flops I wear, and I have like 12 colors and all, you know, I love them. So I ordered this Thursday, 5 days ago. Right now, it arrived at my house today, Tuesday. Like, that's crazy, right? I mean, here I was expecting a 3-month wait. I've got a million other things I need to list, but here we are. You know, I couldn't wait to dig in. So I have not looked yet. I did untape it because I didn't know how to, I mean, this box, there's just tape kind of everywhere. So I got it untaped. So yeah, 5 days. And there was a weekend, obviously. So I don't know. I'm not complaining. So I don't know what the deal is with why it takes some people so long to get them. Maybe it's different boxes, but here we go. So I did, when I took off the tape, looked in, there's no bubbles, no nothing. They're all just kind of right here, which is fine. I kind of prefer that it's a smaller box than ThreadUp and they're all like tightly packed together, because I'm hoping that means less scuffs and stuff. The ThreadUp boxes, they just get thrown all over the place sometimes. So they look like they are kind of with their matches. Okay, let's do this. All right, this brand is Bernie Mev. Never heard of it, but that's another reason I love these boxes, because I have found brands that are amazing that I've never heard of. This is so lightweight, so I imagine it's pretty comfortable, if it's even something. Excuse my like 5 days old nail polish. This is why I don't do nice things, because I don't keep up with it. So these are in pretty great condition. I mean, there's a little bit of dirt on there, but it's hard to explain this material. It's like a weave, but okay, no idea. Will I make my back. We will see. Okay. This is thread up quality right here. They're very much were loved. They're coming across way nicer than they actually are. It's BOC Comfort. I mean, you can see on the bottoms, this part is kind of worn off a little bit, but they're not terrible. It doesn't appear that they're falling apart. They just were worn a lot. Oh, yes, I'm going to tell you what size those were. They said 36. These are an 8, and it's all man-made materials. They're not real leather, so don't know, and they've got some pretty good scuffing on the back. Don't know if I'll be able to recoup my money on that. Okay, these are a pair of Dr. Scholl's Be Free. I'm pretty sure you can get that at Payless, so don't know. I mean, I'm going to list them all because I at least want to make my money back, but you can, like, the glue is kind of showing. They're definitely dirty. The natural light sometimes makes things look better than they actually are, which I don't mind when it's like my, you know, whatever self, but I want you to see the true representation of these things. So these aren't terrible, but you can just tell they were not well made. You know, they're just some cheapy shoes, but do they feel like they would be comfortable to wear? Yes, and they are a size 9.5. Ooh, okay. Some of them have rubber bands, some don't. Okay, these are dirty. They're aerosols, which I thought was funny. They spelled it wrong on the website. These were very loved. You can see that the brand is kind of almost worn out. They're a US 10. I can clean them a little bit, but I'll be lucky to get $10 out of these. So far, Jomar, you're not my favorite. But hey, I didn't have to wait, so let's just add more to my file. Okay, these are a very pretty color. What is this thing? What is this? I have to cut it. So the brand is Soft, which they did. This was one of the brands they said I might get as well. Don't know where that's sold, but they are like this really pretty little heeled Mary Jane and like almost like a patent burgundy. They're cute. They are size 7, leather upper, lining, sock, balance, man-made materials. So they really don't even appear worn. I have a cute, it's like stretchy right here. This doesn't come undone, but so these are cute. I don't know. I think I have a pair or two of these in my shop that haven't sold, so they just need a little wipe down. They're a little bit dusty, but those are nice. These are, it says made in Italy, size 40.5. I don't know this brand. Nuvola by Cherry, super comfort. They're just a basic like work shoe. They kind of look mustard yellow on the camera. They're more of a brown in person. So, I mean, definitely comfort shoes. That's what I signed up for. So I'm hoping maybe these are something. They're in great shape, honestly. I'll still take my, you know, shoe stuff and shine up some of these. And okay, there are 4 pairs left. These are small compared to the others. They are a size 6, all man-made. That's never a good sign, but natural sole. I know I've seen that before, but they have a nice little arch support. They're in great shape, actually. Definitely like a nice little comfort work shoe right there. Let's have that, this thing again. These are 9 West. These are probably in the worst condition out of anything else in the box. Look at like the toes. are like eaten up. These were definitely loved, so maybe that means they're extra comfortable, but definitely would not have ever picked these up. Leather uppers, size 7.5. I don't know, maybe I would have picked up 2 out of these pairs so far. I don't know for $6, but this is the name of the mystery game, and it's, you know, you hope to find that one gem, and we'll see. All right. Yay, a pair of Danskos. So these might help recoup my $63. Not, they won't sell for that much, but they are just a pair of black patent. They do have some scuffs, but Magic Eraser should be able to take care of most of that. They are in pretty great condition. They're a size 40. So let me make sure there's no major flaws on this one. Just some scuffs again. Some little like surface looking. Well, I spoke too soon. This one's fine there. Right here, right there, it's like rubbed off a little. So unfortunately, that is, I mean, it's probably from this, like them rubbing, because it's right there on the inside. But I still think I should be able to pull a decent amount from these, at least recoup half of my box with those. People love these. I think they're so heavy, but I've never owned a pair, so I can't speak to that. All right, last pair. These look like fake Danskos. And they are the brand, yeah, YUU. And they just don't, they feel like, if you see the Dansko, and then these are these, right? I mean, look, maybe this is something, but I don't think it's anything. I really think they're like a knockoff. Well, I mean, they have a name, Bethany, 9.5 wide, but it's all man-made, not leather or anything. And they're definitely way lighter. But they still, I mean, it says memory foam. And yeah, it's like 9.5. So yeah, so that's my 10 pairs. Oh look, there's like the teeniest bit of, there's one strip of tissue paper. Maybe I opened the box upside down, because there is, let me show you. This is what the bottom looked like. And it was one little piece of tissue paper that is like stuck in there. And here's my invoice. So they wasted colored ink to send me this. Yeah, but it's exactly what I had written down. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yep, it was, I paid $44 because I used my code. If you want the code, it's first 20 off, all capitals. Here, first 20 off. So I paid $63.70. So what did you think? Maybe you know more about some of these brands than I do. I think the Danskos are great. I think these soft shoes might do okay. And the very first pair I pulled out, these little blue ones, I don't know the brand, but I just feel like maybe there's something. Do I think I'll recoup my $67? Yes. Do I think I'll make profit? No. Will I order from Jomar again? I have so much inventory right now. I really, really am trying to get through my inventory because I want to order another thread up 200-pound box, because I didn't do what sold for the second half of April. Some weeks are great and I'm like, man, I really should do what sold weekly. And then other weeks I'm like, oh, I'm not making enough sales for that. But it's all over the place. But I am way in the profit now for that thread up, that 200-pound. I do have a fun box coming. I finally snagged one, even though I do not need more inventory. I check every day because it's cheap and it's fun, and you know, why not? So I will see you in the next. I do still have a men's rescue box that's literally been sitting. I did clean my office, the back of my office today. I need to get that done. My husband's just super busy. By the time we get the kids in bed at night, he doesn't feel like filming a video with me. So we will get that done eventually. And if you're following along, I still have not heard back from ThredUp regarding my replacement name brand handbag box. I will be emailing them again in the morning, because it was last Thursday that I shipped it back to them. So now they have my $100 and that Coach box that I did not order, and I have nothing. So I don't even have a shipping confirmation, and that's what they said they would email me. So I will be messaging them again, like, okay, like we're coming up on a week now. What's the status? Like, you have my money and your product, and I have nothing. So I'll keep you updated on that, and I hope you guys have a great day. Till next time, bye.